Welcome students to ND's English grammar channel on YouTube. In this video I have for upper class, say 10, 11, 12, BA, BCom, BSc, MA, for all. Of course all can see this. Here I have discussed double preposition, that is two simple prepositions combined together or put side by side, juxtaposed to make a double preposition. In my previous videos also I discussed some double prepositions. Though they double, they carry the individual meaning of the simple prepositions. For example, first one, into. In is a simple preposition and to is another simple preposition. They are put together and made one double preposition, into. And it is surprising to note that into retains both the meaning of in and to. For example, in means inside certain area, that is in room, in school, in field, in the theater, in the book, in the mobile, etc. And to indicates movement from one place towards another. So into, in means inside, to means movement, that is movement from outside to inside. For example, the diver jumped into the pool. So he jumped from outside in the air into the water of the pool. So you can see how interesting. Then you see onto. The example sentence is the cat jumped onto the table. That is, on means upper position or a surface and to means movement. Imagine the cat is sitting on the floor and there is a table, and on the table some food item is kept which is provoking the cat and no one is nearby. So the cat jumped onto the table or upon the table to eat those food items. So his movement is from lower position to upper position. So to indicates movement and on means position on a surface. Then you see upon. It is also similar. Up means upside or upper position, and on means surface or surface position. And the example you can say the cat jumped upon the table. Same, onto, like onto, jumped upon the table. Out of. Out means outside and of means relation to something. The bird flew out of the tree. The parrot flew out of the cage. So combining out and of to show the movement from within, that is from some captivity. Movement from within, from some captivity. Then you can see within. Here is also with a simple preposition and in is another simple preposition. With means association or being with something, and in means inside. The treasure is hidden deep within the cave, that is inside the cave area, not out of the cave, showing the specific location. So within also means within certain confined area, certain location. Then without. It is just opposite to within. You can say he left without saying goodbye, indicating absence or lack. Here he lacked the courteous remark goodbye. Up to. The decision is up to you. Here, up to indicates responsibility or extent, that is degree or extent. That is, he went up to the highest rate, highest bid. So students, these are a few double prepositions. So you have seen, in order to understand the double prepositions, you have to understand the simple or single prepositions. How double preposition work? Double prepositions provide more detail and precision to the relationship between object in a sentence. It gives better explanation, relationship explanation. They can indicate spatial, that is of place, temporal, or directional, or to certain direction. Spatial, example, the car was parked over against the wall. It is a place or spot. Temporal, we kept gossiping throughout the boring movie. Directional, she stepped onto the platform to board the train. That means she walked towards the train, movement towards the train. Key characteristics. Double prepositions are formed by combining two simple prepositions. They function as a single unit to convey specific meanings. Unlike compound prepositions, double prepositions don't involve non-prepositional words. This is very important. It means double prepositions have only prepositions to be attached, that is to be put side by side. So students, these are important for you to understand preposition. And as you know, in grammar arena, of all the grammatical items, preposition is one of the trickiest and the hardest and complex item to be understood. So use different books and understand how a certain preposition is used in a certain reference. Same preposition can be used in different sentences with different meanings according to the reference. So instead of understanding a single preposition's meaning or use, understand the preposition in a sentence with its certain reference under a certain condition, etc. So students, hope this explanation will help you. Please subscribe to ND's Grammar channel on YouTube and watch out for more exciting videos on different grammatical topics. Of course, I discuss some grammatical topics with non-grammatical explanations which are exciting too. Thank you.